Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Dear children, as you all know, I have been informing you to write all the numbers and all the concepts that we are teaching you in maths and in other subjects, be it EVS or English, in your copy. It is now compulsory for you all to write it in the copy as the markets are open. And I know mummy and daddy are aware that you are getting the copies in the market. So please make sure that you are writing it properly. Also, completion of copy is important. You don't have to send all the pages on WhatsApp to your teacher because I don't have that kind of capacity on the phone as well. But I do want to see it during the interaction next. So the teacher-student interaction, you will all be showing your copies and the different worksheets you are doing, and then you will be sending it to me. That is all that you'll be sending. Whenever I require it, I can ask you. So please keep it all ready and let us go ahead with our numbers. I have decided that we'll have few revision topics for the day. So I hope you remember how we were building numbers and you know the concept of counting numbers in the frame of 10, right? Tens, as I had told you. And we completed with the Jugbu the juggler's juggling rings. So you saw the bundles of tens, and then you saw the loose uh, bundles of the rings. We completed this. Then we came down to the tens frame, which was in tens, 20s, 30s, and 40s. We did the number strip, and as I told you, the number strip will always have different numbers. So here as well, this was the strip for 30s, and we moved down from 30 to 40. I hope you have completed with the number grip from 1 to 50. And finally, we did the number names in the last class, that you had to write the number names along with the numbers. Okay. We did how many in the form of word problems, that is story sums, and through the story sums we read the different kinds of sums based on again tens, 20s, 30s, 40s, a bundle which is a bunch of tens, and now you know the difference between ones and you know the difference between tens. Anything above 10 comes in tens and you write it in the first box. Single numbers are written in ones. We also did the ringed values, ring the value of the colored digits and how to differentiate between these values, which was very important for us. Today what we are going to do, you will write today's date, which is 19 dot 10 dot, as you can see, this is little difficult for me because the stylus doesn't always work properly. 19.10.2020, and we will be counting forward and writing the number on the ladder. So take out the copy, come to page number 2020 and get ready. Because from here, we are going to only move ahead in the concept, and even while writing the numbers on climbing the ladders during the exam, I have seen most of you make mistakes. So please make sure your number and the order of numbers are absolutely correct, my dear students. Okay, so I will do this with you. 1, 2, 3. Next number is 4. We are climbing up, moving forward. 4. This is what happens when the stylus doesn't work properly. Then we have 5. I'm only going to do this one. You can do the next one. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. Then same way you can do here 11, 12, 13. Please write the numbers clearly. You can even write 14. I'm only going to repeat. Keep on writing it here while I'm repeating. You can do this. So 13. Remember, we are counting forward. So you will continue to write 13, 14 on this ladder. 15 ladders are सीढ़ियाँ, as you can see. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. Write it with me. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. And then 30, 3, 0, 30. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. Same way, climb down the number ladder, which is backward counting. We had only done from 20. Now we have to do it from 50. 50, 49, 48. Then comes the number 4, 7, 47. Then 4, 6, 46. 4, 5, 45. 4, 5, 45. 4, 4, 44. Right? 4, 3, 43. Okay? 4, 2, 42. And 4, 1, 40. Okay, I know the number strokes are somewhat different, but please, you know the method same way. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Like this, you are going to do till 1. Okay. Then we come to again a new concept, which is numbers before, between, and after. We have been doing it since our KG1 days, but now the numbers have gone bigger. So we will be doing this together. Any number before the number 23, remember, go by the ones wala number, and that comes, uske pehle wala number comes before 2 to 22. 4, 8, 48 होता है, उसके पहले आएगा 4, 7, 47. 2, 6, 26 before 27. 3, 8 before मतलब पहले. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39, which comes before 40. What comes in between 35 and 37? The number is 3, 6, 36. You all know this. 29 and 31 comes 33, 0, 30. 42 and 44 comes 43. Please remember all of this. 20 and 22 comes 21. 48 and 50, 49. Okay. These numbers are coming. Then after means बाद में. 39 के बाद क्या आता है? 40. 4 0 40, 2 8 के बाद 2 9 29, 40 के बाद 4 1 41, 31 के बाद 3 2 32, 47 के बाद 4 8 48. You have to do all of these properly, okay, and make sure that you are learning the numbers and doing the things properly. Please complete all of this. Also, at least two example of the same in the copies, as I will be seeing it in the interaction. You don't have to WhatsApp me, but I will be checking it in interaction. So keep it handy and I will ask anybody for the copies. Be safe. I'll see you in the next class. Continue practicing numbers.